Hey y'all, it's me, Supportive Mom, and today we're going to do something a little different that I've never done on my channel. I'm going to do a clean with me. This is our dining area. This is where we eat at. And a lot of times what I do when we come in is I set things right here on the corner of this table or somewhere on the table. And I'm here a lot. I know a lot of people only use their dining area to eat in. But y'all, I'm in here, I watch TV in here. Here I like to sit right here and drink my coffee. So today I'm going to let you all help me clean up my dining room. And what I'm going to do, y'all, it's got a little junk, and I'm not a junky person. So what I'm going to do today in this room, I have wood in this room. I have some glass in this room. And then, of course, y'all know we're going to have to dust down that ceiling, okay? But let me show y'all, because I have wood in here, I'm going to use this lemon oil. This is good, y'all. This is really good. I was trying to see if I had that lemon pledge, but I'm out of my pledge. So we're going to use this Wyman or Weeman lemon oil to shine up the wood in this room. And then I have this also, this wood cleaner also. I use this, y'all. I got this from Dollar Tree. I love this stuff right here. And for everything that's glass cleaner, of course. And then let me show y'all this here. I found this at Dollar Tree. But look at here. It has, see? So when it go over your ceiling fan, see I put my hand through here, it can go over each blade to grab the dust on the ceiling fan. And it came even with this little stick, and it's just detachable. It came like this. I've been using it, that's why y'all see a little dust. And you just put this on here like this. Let's make believe that this is the fan. See, you're gonna get all the dust we off of here, the light bulb, and it's gonna shine brighter, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hop right in here, and we're gonna get this table cleaned up, and we're gonna clean up everything. This is the before. I'm gonna shampoo the carpet, y'all. So we just gonna clean up in here. Y'all, I drink coffee every day, and I set the coffee mugs right here on the table. All I have to do in the next room is the kitchen. Walk my little self right on in there, right, and put them up. So let's get rid of these. And I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna put my runner back on here or not. So I'm gonna take everything out of here that doesn't belong. And y'all, I'm that person, when I decide to clean, I'll go through the entire house. You know, some people do one room. Believe it or not, tonight, if I say that I'm a clean, I clean my entire house. Y'all like Lincoln's little mat? This is Lincoln's Spider-Man mat that he likes. So, let's get it done. Y'all see what Destiny messed up my table right here? That's why I can sit my room. Destiny done this, y'all, when she lived at home. When she was sitting here at my table and done her nails. Don't ask me why, but she did. Get all these crumbs off here. I'm cleaning because I want to get my mind, y'all. I told y'all, unfortunately, we lost my little cousin, Mario, due to a short period of sickness. I just said, I've been going and doing, and you know when you're really not thinking. So I said what I do, I'm going to get in here tonight and just get my house all nice and cleaned up the way that I like it. Because I have been going, you know, doing different things, going to visit his mom. And so we're going to put some of this right on the table. I'm not going to even put it on the towel. I know y'all may say, put it on the towel. Nope. And we're going to shine her up, okay? And no, this is not sponsored by them. These are just the cleaning things that I like to use. y'all young people don't know nothing about keeping butter on the table. I get enough for anything. Sugar, butter, salt, pepper, toothpick, syrup. I'm not getting up. When I sit down to eat, I want everything at the table. But what I'm going to do, because nobody sits on this end of the table, I'm just going to pull this down just a little bit. And I know Jess will say, why you got that hanging? I sit right down here on this end and eat. I'm going to use this and not the Swiffer, because the Swiffer is not as good. So what you can do, this is ready for my ceiling fan, but I'm just going to take it, clean each bulb, and I need to get the flutes and put over here. Y'all see how it's getting brighter as I'm getting the dust out? And this is a dimmer light. Look, show y'all. And turn them back up bright. Voila! Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do, we're gonna dust the ceiling. And I should have done the ceiling first, y'all. Why didn't I? Well, I think this is a kitchen. Let's see. Make sure you change your tile when you go from all clean wood to now I'm getting ready to clean my glass. Now what I'm getting ready to do is I'm getting ready to clean my carpet. What I have here is my rug dock. Y'all can purchase one of these. This video is not sponsored. Everything that you see me using in this video is just something that I decided to use on my own. And this is a carpet cleaning machine that I purchased because, as you can see, I have this light tan carpet in my dining room. So I'm not going to pay somebody to come out here every 6 months to clean it. So I just bought me a machine, and like every 6 months or so, I just do it myself. I don't know if y'all ever used one of these before, but it has a nice little button here on top for carpet cleaning. There's a nice handle here on the back that you can control, goes up and down. And you push this little red button right here. It's for the sprayer. It works with a 110 regular plug, so you don't have to worry about anything like that as far as your plug. It goes up and down for easy storage. Let the handle down, and you can adjust the lock in whatever position that you want it. You take this off, and all of the dirty water is going to end up in here. You fill it down here with clean water. That's how you clean. So what I'm I'd like to thank y'all for coming over to the house with me today while I did my clean with me and clean up the dining room. I'm actually going to clean my entire house tonight. So I'm going to show y'all as much as I can, cleaning, getting everything all straight back up. Because you know when you have company and different people at the house, don't be rude. They messing up or moving some different things around. Once they go home, then you can get everything all cleaned up. But like I said, because I'm not going to go out every 6 months and pay somebody, I purchased this. So y'all might want to just go and buy y'all a machine if you have carpet or you have kids. Just go out and buy your own carpet cleaner and clean your own carpet, okay? And let me say this, you know, thinking about my little cousin that passed, make sure that you love on your family and friends while they are here. Because once a person is gone, it's too late. If you love a person, don't be afraid to tell them, I love you. Tell them, hey man, give me a hug. Y'all know how y'all do it. Chop it up, hug it up, jump up, hit chest. But just let them know that, hey, I love you. Young ladies tell each other, hey, I love you. And in my generation, we called each other girlfriend. Today, I know y'all don't do that for various reasons. When I'm talking to my family and my friends at the end of the phone call, I say, I love you. Don't just throw that word out there if you don't. But if you love or care about a person, make sure that you let them know now while they can hear you. This is your girl, Supportive Mom. Thank you all for staying here in the dining room with me. I hope y'all like it. I'm going to show y'all the finished results. And y'all know Supportive Mom loves each and every one of you. Hugs, big old hug, mwah, and kisses to each one of you. We should have brewed some coffee. That's what we should have done. I had to get that rag off my head because I got hot. Girl, Sweet Pea got hot. So hugs and kisses to each one of you. And y'all know Supportive Mom gonna talk to you the next time. Tell somebody that you love them.